because why not? We just did the hi-fi boy, so we're just gonna jump over here. Oh man, I was not ready for this. Yeah, we'll just do the I'm gonna do the dual package thing here. Why not? This is gonna be cool. Put that back over there. We got some big stuff today. Big stuff, big stuff, big stuff. Let's just go with the copper Microtech. Kind of overkill for the job here. Let's see if we can use those serrations. Oh, look at that. Oh, so handy. Anyways, just really don't need that overkill, but it's there anyways. Gotta love it. So here's this. This is gonna be the Wanwu set. So we got this set, and it's got this little mini Balisong, and then it's got a mini shield slider made from G10. And I think this is red. I made a little red mark on it. I looked up the red character. I sent my friend a message. Oh, look at it, is red. This was the version of the pie, the PEI. Fantastic. Oh, wonderful. It's red. So I think this will be red too. In the, oops, gotta do that on camera. I'm so sorry. Forgot what I was doing here. I was getting excited. Ah, yes. The red on camera is going to look like red. Oh my gosh, this is cool. This just looked like so much fun online. And I got the blue and the white ones of these two just because gotta catch them all, I guess. Even though that was never my thing. But there I am saying it anyways. We'll leave that there. The Brian Nadio Sharp by Design Apex knife. Give Knife Center a shout. Look it up on their website. They had a lot of these left. I'm probably going to get another one because I really love them. I want to get the drop point blade. I love the drop point. So here's this. Wild. It's like, it's kind of, so it's got like definitely the colors like more there, and it just looks faded on the side. I wonder if that's from how it was made. Oh, that is so freaking cool. Wow. Maybe get a little close up on that. Haven't been doing close ups on these stuff, but so this, to get this sciencey stuff out of the way, we'll do. Oh, I don't know why that's going crazy. Didn't like my, we'll undo this while they were measuring that, or weighing that. 14.9 grams only. God, that's like nothing. So the pie one, the PEI one, even lighter. 10.8 grams. Interesting. Very interesting. Very light. Very light. Very light. So, that's cool. Look at this. Holy buckets. Look how cool that is. This thing, let's weigh it quick. Let's just get the scale out of here. 54.5 grams. Excellent. Excellent. Thank you, science. You've quantified. Thank you very much. Indeed, indeed. Alright, so don't know what I'm doing here. But look at that. Oh, it's got like a magnet. It's like, it's magnetizing nice there. Nice, nice, nice indeed. We got ourselves a bottle opener here. This is almost just like a pry bar. It's It's a mini wedge, or yes, a pry bar. You know, maybe you want to pry something out or something. Maybe you just want to look cool. Hiya! Man, so. Wow, that's cool. Wow, it's fun. I'm not so, you know, it's not so inclined to be good at this. Here's the, we'll just throw this in here. Why not? Look at that. Oh, yeah. Fonzie, if Fonzie was alive these days, he would have one of these, and he'd be like, hey, he'd comb his hair, and he'd be so cool. This is cool. You can open a bottle with this. And, oops. Hiya. Comby comb. Brushy brush. Comby comb. Very cool. This is a Moye Works. There you can get a fork and some other stuff from that. But back to this one. Alright, so that's just cool. They were doing this thing online. Look at that. That is so well put together. You can see the space in there. You can see how well that's made. It's got you could put a bit in there. I'm sure it's probably, you can, I don't know what all other functions this thing has, but damn, it was cute, and I just had to have it. And anytime you get a matching thing like that, so, alright, take my money, I say. But that's super fun. Looks like you could, like, you know, break some glass with that, maybe. Let's see, the slider here. We didn't even get to do this, too. So that's going to fall off. But, look at that. Oh, it just wants to pop back together. Oh, I think this is called the Reactive Shield. Boy, that my thumb is giving out. Oops, there goes a magnet. There goes a magnet. Alright, well. It's all fun and games till the mama took the keys away or whatever that's about. I forget how that goes, but whatevs. Alright, well. It's a good time to stop here, I guess. It's kind of chintzy, I don't know. Gotta say that, the G10 wrap, or is that just a bad tape job? I think this is a bad tape job. Oh well. Alright, we'll get the glue out. Okay, there's your set. Wanwu. Peace and love. So much fun in Fidget Land.